Welcome in Venice.
This is the city without cars. Situated on 118 small islands in northeastern Italy, Venice is a unique place to say the least. There are so many wonderful sights to see. Take a walk over the Rialto Bridge, be stunned by the Grand Canal, take a lap around San Marco Square, and get lost in the narrow side streets. I'm short and I can touch both sides with my hands. Instead of having roads to connect the city, there are 117 canals which are linked by over 400 bridges. No vehicles are allowed in the main parts of Venice. We had to park our car 2 miles away and take a 40-minute water bus in. So we just hopped on a water bus to take us to San Marco Square. The only way to get around the city is by foot or by boat. Everything else that involves daily life is transported on boats through the canals. If someone needs medical attention, a water ambulance will pick them up. If someone wants to do laundry, a laundry boat will come to the rescue. And then you have the iconic gondolas, which are made entirely of wood. Taking a ride on one is really expensive, like $120 for 40 minutes, but it's absolutely worth it for an experience that you can only get in Venice. What's up everyone? We are riding on the famous gondola ride in Venice. Costs 100 euros, but who cares, it's worth it. And to be honest, it's the most peaceful way to see the city, far away from the touristy streets. How many years are you a gondola driver?
30 years.
30? Wow. Crazy.
Yes.
So if you ask me, Venice is one of the most unique cities in the world, and it was great to be back here again. Alright, we are wrapping up our day here in Venice. We're heading out. In all honesty, it's a great place to see for a couple hours, but there are literally so many tourists that it gets a little bit annoying, so kind of excited to get out of here. I'll definitely be back here sometime in my life, but as for now, we are heading to
Slovenia!
You're right over there? What happened?
Oh, fell apart.
Cheese master. I'm Drew Binsky, and if you like my travel videos, please click subscribe and join me as I plan to visit every country in the world.